Nasa Cebu na nga ang aktres na si Kim Chiu para sa kanyang bagong endorsement na Bingo Plus.
Today, we're here for good reasons. This is to welcome our newest endorser, Kim Chiu. You know, Bingo Plus and Kim Chiu have a lot of commons. Kim Chiu is one of the most amazing artists of her time. While Bingo Plus, on the other hand, is the leading entertainment platform of this time.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Dream high in the quiet of the night, you know that I got it. Bad boy, shiny toy with a price, you know that I bought it. Killing me slow, out a window. I'm always waiting for you to be waiting below. Devils throw the dice, angels throw the ice. What doesn't kill me makes me want you more. And it's you, the shape of your body is blue. The feeling I've got in it too. It's gruesome. It's cool. That's what I've done. No rules. Unbreakable, gruesome with you.
Patatagalin pa, mga ka-Bingo Plus! I-welcome na natin the one and the only Kim Chiu!
Yes, I'm back.
Wow! Well,
Ang bilis.
taray, ang bilis.
Yeah.
Change costume, ah!
Patong lang.
Oo. In fairness naman sa'yo, talaga namang ubing-ubi tayo, di ba?
Yes, of course,
In
Bingo
theme tayo.
Plus.
Oo, ganyan talaga pag Bingo Plus. Talaga namang suswertehin tayo ngayong gabi.
Ito na talaga yung totoo ko message. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat to Bingo Plus for choosing me to be your newest endorser and for making me part of your growing family. This is such an incredible moment and I'm very happy to be part of something as wonderful as the Bingo Plus family. Maraming salamat. And of course, my first impression of Bingo Plus was that it was the leading mobile and entertainment platform in the country. But the Cebu Carnival celebration has shown me that the brand is so much more than that. As an entertainer, I'm very honored to be part of the Bingo Plus story and spread, of course, fun, entertainment, and to make people happy, smile, and mawala muna yung mga problema nila sa buhay for a while. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang gustong malungkot ang life, di ba? We all want to be happy and entertained. Pero, more than just being entertainers, both Bingo Plus and I are passionate about helping the community. Through the Bingo Plus Foundation, we are able to share the same beliefs and advocacies that emphasize creating a better Philippines. Kaya naman, it really is wonderful to be able to represent a brand like Bingo Plus, and I'm more than excited to be working with them. And again, Bingo Plus, thank you for the trust and thank you for making me part of your family. This is such a big moment for me. Og sa Cebu, daghang salamat og maayong gabi ninyong tanan unta nalipay mo na nag-perform ko sa inyong atubangan. Og sa tanan nagtan-aw karon, maayong gabi and cheers And mabuhay and congratulations, Bingo Plus. More years to come!
Wow!
Maraming salamat po. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, the newest ambassador of Bingo Plus, Kim Chu!
Palakpakan naman natin siya once again, o diba? Nakita kasi rin natin yung ano niya, progress niya rin,
Yes.
diba? Yung nag-uumpisa pa lang siya, tapos ngayon na super duper superstar na siya, sikat na sikat. Totoo naman talaga, Kim
Sakto lang.
Chu.
At napaka-humble pa rin after
Parang-
all these years.
Oo, parang walang week na hindi ko siya nakikita sa TV eh. Oo.
Marami eh!
More blessings pa sa'yo.
Yes, thank you so much. And to you
Oo.
too. And to everybody else na nandito ngayon.
Kasi very generous talaga to si Kim Chu. Hindi lang sa ano ha, hindi lang sa lahat ng bagay actually.
Sige, mamaya tayo.
Sa pag-share niya ng talent.